Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're going to make a 3-peg rubber band bracelet. This is just like the most basic rubber band bracelet, which is a 2-peg bracelet. And like the most basic rubber band bracelet, this bracelet technique is the basis for many other 3-peg bracelets. These are 3-peg bracelets also. What I'm going to do is a little simpler, but this is single beaded. This is the same technique I'm going to use now, but double rubber bands, and this is another one with flattened two beads and flattened, and this is the same technique but using cord. And of course I will also have one with beads, so look forward to those. So anyway, we're going to start with our very simple easy bracelet maker, and a hook and 2 colors of rubber band and a jump ring. You can use your S-clip or your C-clip if you like. And this easy bracelet looper is just this with, and I clipped a few of these pegs off to better illustrate. So let's get started. So to begin with, put a rubber band across, pull this back and turn, and there's your base. Push it down just a little, and I'm using 2 colors of rubber bands, just FYI. Put this across the front again, another color, pull it back and loop, and see how you have it all the way around there. 1 color above, 1 color below. So now we're going to take our hook and go above. There we go. Push it down. And now we're going to get our next color. When you're alternating colors, notice that the color that we have here on the pegs is not the color you're going to start with. You're going to do with the other color. And I'm also trying to do this as the back peg. Here is where the brand name is, so I'm putting them across right here, and then pulling it back. By the way, this is not on your easy bracelet loop instructions, but I use this a lot also. Okay, opposite color is brown. And keep on going. You can adjust a little in the middle if you'd like, but some of this self-adjusts by itself. This is towards the back again, the logo. Next color is red. And you keep on going. Alright folks, a quick mid bracelet check. Just come down from the bottom. And once you have this, actually, by the way, when it starts up, you can use it to pull this through easily. So I'm going to take this opportunity right now and put our jump ring in. So I'm going to go pull through all three of the very first layer. So and that one too. There you go. And when you're working with a jump ring, always just twist it open and twist it shut. Okay. When we finish this, we'll just open it up and upset the other side. Okay. So we have the red on the bottom. Conversely, we have the brown in the middle. So it's brown that we want. We want the opposite of what's on here or what's in the middle when you're doing two colors. So we're going to do this reddish rubber band. So cross to back and link away. And pull it a little through. It should look like that. If you need to adjust, but you can just pull it through. It'll adjust by itself. But also note how this has a natural inclination to curl by itself. And what it's doing is the double loops that you have in front are coming here, and the back loop is pulling it down like this. So you can wear it this way, and you're gonna get a little spine. Whereas if you wear it this way, you'll get a flatter edge because the spine will be inside. So let's see where we're at. Our next color is brown. And loop. And I'll keep on going. Okay, folks, we're coming towards the end. So, brown's our next color. Put that there. Link, link, link. Now the way that I found out that this was the right size is by just going around there and checking like that, right? But the truth is, with all this stretch, you actually could have finished it a lot earlier and it would have been okay, because see, you can stretch it around twice if you want and it would be okay. Of course, it'd be a little tight, but you get the idea. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead, and it's easiest to take these off first to put them on the jump ring. So that's what we're going to do. Off that comes. Now we have these three here, and we're just going to take our jump ring and open it like so. And pull these right through these three rubber bands. And twist it closed. And there you go. Didn't think those colors would quite work, did you? Neither did I. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. Why not subscribe? Ring the bell. Bye-bye till the next one.